In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border of the picture inside Outlook. We'll walk through composing a new message in Outlook on the web, inserting an image, and then using Outlook's formatting controls to create a clean border effect around that picture so it stands out clearly in your email. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook and open the official Outlook site from Microsoft. If you're prompted, go ahead and sign into your account. Once your mailbox loads, look toward the top left and choose New Mail to start a fresh message. Click inside the message box so the cursor is active. This ensures the formatting toolbar is available for the next step. To place your image, move to the toolbar and select Insert. From there, click Pictures. Your file picker will open, so choose the photo you want to include and confirm. Outlook will drop the image directly into the body of your message where your cursor was. If the image appears too large or small, you can resize it by dragging the corners, but keep it selected so we can apply the border effect next. With the picture highlighted, one click or a quick double click does the trick. Switch back to the Message tab at the top of the editor if you're still on Insert. Next, open the three dots to reveal more formatting options. Here's the key. Click Increase Indent. In Outlook on the web, there isn't a dedicated Picture Border button, so increasing the indent shifts the image inward and adds clean space around it, creating a simple frame within your message. Click. Increase indent again if you want a wider margin. Each press adds a bit more breathing room and makes the image pop against the email background. If you go too far, use Decrease Indent to step the spacing back until the layout feels balanced. Adjust it depending on the look you want and the overall flow of your text. When you're happy with the layout, you're done. You've inserted a picture and used Outlook's available formatting to give it a neat, bordered appearance without any complicated tools. Remember, the visual effect can vary slightly based on the theme or background in your message, so a modest indent usually looks the most professional. Thanks for watching. And now you can make images in your Outlook emails stand out with a clean, polished border effect.